How to fix Binance verification failed. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to fix Binance verification failed. If you want to verify your Binance account, but verification kept failing, so I'll show you step by step on how to fix the problem. So the first one is now close the Binance app and go to Play Store or App Store on your mobile phone. After you go to Play Store or App Store, just search for Binance like this. After you search for Binance, search for the Binance app like this. So open it like this now. So if there is update on your Binance app, make sure to update the Binance app. After you update the Binance app like this, now open the Binance app. So now you can go ahead and proceed with the verification. After you try the verification, but still it just reject the verification, still it says verification failed. So I'll advise you to go and check the email that Binance sent you to see what is that problem that kept that just causing the verification fail of your Binance account. So, but if you check your email address, there is not any problem, but they'll just kept giving you that by verification fail. So I'll advise you to change your email. After you change the email, then wait for like 2 to 3 days. After you wait for like 2 to 3 days, from there come back and try again. From there, Binance will accept your verification, or you can just go ahead and try the verification on another device. If you try with your own device, just go ahead and collect like your friend's phone or your mother's phone or just someone around you, collect his phone and try to log in into the Binance account and try to make the verification. From there, your verification will fast. That's it on how to fix the problem. Hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe.